In this video we are going to see how to edit the TcpGPS point code database with a spreadsheet. See in the description of the video the related technical note. Although the process can also be done with Microsoft Excel, in this case we are going to use Google Sheets. We create a blank document and import the template that can be downloaded with a link that appears in the technical note. Each row defines a point code, in addition to its geometry and representation. Now, we copy the last line and modify it to define a new point code, in this case a fire hydrant. We repeat the process to define another linear type code, specifically a curve. Details about the meaning of each column can be found in the technical note. Now we download the modified file in CSV format, separated by commas. In TcpGPS, we run the import codes option, so we are going to replace the entire table. We see that two new codes are shown. The hydrant, represented with a red square, and the curve, represented with a dashed line in cyan color.